I'm ready. Ready?
They're gonna feed a lot of people.
And we're off to the races.
Oh,
Where did I leave off?
roll shoulders, loosen up.
Energy. Sugar's coming soon. Sugar next, right?
Smells like hot chocolate. Yum.
Give me the sugar.
Aren't they adorable? They look like little buttons, but delicious, chewy peanut butter.
Oh man. Add 2 tablespoons.
Into the bottom of the pan. It should dance around like that. Oh my God. It's not screwed in.
I feel like this is getting caught
To do that, I'm gonna make some caramel. So I have, where did the sugar go?
This is 4 pounds of apples, really?
2 sticks, 12 ounces.
Pull chicken out.
1.5 cups, 1.5 cups.
Poached chicken lettuce cups, not poached chicken lettuce cups.
Oven, you guys, and these will bake. I have no idea.
Hold on.
Okay. All right.
What was I saying?
I just need to go to like a spa or something.
I need to get some acupuncture, I think.
And last but not least, this guy, which I can't even remember the name. It's called an apple.
This is a
I know, this is, what am I gonna say?
To this, I'm gonna add half a.
and we want to try to add. Sorry guys, I have to.
Thanks a lot.